Welcome to week 8 of your 40-week pregnancy journey. At 8 weeks pregnant, your baby's arms and legs are growing as their facial features are beginning to take shape. And while the world cannot see your growing baby lump yet, you may be noticing that your clothes are starting to feel a bit tight in the waist. Your baby's development at week 8. At 8 weeks, a baby is typically between half and 3/4 of an inch long, that is 1.5 to 2 centimeters. This week, your baby's physical features are becoming more noticeable, body systems and organs are continuing to develop, and the baby is starting to look more and more like a little human. Your baby's nose and upper lips are becoming noticeable. The tiny folds of the eyelids are developing. Baby's digestive system, including the intestines, are developing. Your common symptoms this week. You may have already heard pregnancy symptoms are inconsistent from one person to the next and from one pregnancy to the next. So, these are not symptoms you should definitely have at this time. Morning sickness and fatigue are likely to continue this week, but you may also experience mild cramping, dizziness, and breast changes. Number 1. Cramps. Even though you cannot quite see much of a difference, your uterus has started to grow. This normal and natural uterine expansion can lead to some mild stretching and cramping pain. Constipation, gas, and diarrhea can also cause a bit of abdominal discomfort in early pregnancy. Number 2. Dizziness. There are a few issues that can lead to dizziness during pregnancy. Pregnancy hormones that cause your blood vessels to relax and widen can bring about low blood pressure and a feeling of dizziness or lightheadedness. Number 3. Breast changes. Breast changes begin in early pregnancy. Pregnancy hormones affect your breasts right away as they begin preparing your body for the arrival of your baby. As the milk-making tissue in your body grows, you may notice your breast getting a bit larger. So here are some self-care tips during this week. As the idea of pregnancy starts to settle in, you may be thinking about your weight and your changing body. But with nausea, dizziness, and frequent urination distracting you, it can be a bit challenging just to stay comfortable and keep some foods and fluids down. Number 1. Eat if you can. After the official weigh-in at your first prenatal visit, you may be wondering about pregnancy gain weight. Of course, everyone is different, and it's also normal for women to lose weight during the first trimester due to nausea and vomiting. If you're finding you're shunning a lot of food, make sure you stay hydrated and take those prenatal vitamins. And if you feel hungrier than ever before, go ahead and answer your cravings with nutritious whole foods that will satisfy your need. Number 2. Do a little shopping. While you probably are not quite showing, you may notice your clothes fit a bit tighter. You don't have to shop in the maternity department yet, but a few pairs of pants with a stretchy waist will help you feel more comfortable. Number 3. Add some healthy snacks. Eating a few healthy snacks during the day is one way to fight off some of the discomforts of pregnancy. Eating small meals and snacks more often can give you more energy throughout the day and fight with dizziness associated with low blood sugar and prevent that empty stomach nausea from sneaking up on you. So keep healthy, easy to grab snacks like apples and peanut butter or hummus and whole wheat pita chips within reach. So in the nutshell, here is your week 8 checklist. Continue taking prenatal vitamins. Stay hydrated by drinking 10 to 12 glasses of water a day. Talk with your partner about genetic testing. Seek comfort with stretchier pants and a better fitting bra. Consider seeking the guidance of a mental health professional. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel, The Voice of Women, and press the bell icon to stay tuned for the latest updates.